I think my sleep has been really cemented. Like my body will not wake up anymore unless I get my 7 to 8 hours of sleep. It can be a hassle sometimes, but at the same time, like I thoroughly enjoy it. My sleep is just it's so heavy now. It's great. I haven't had sleep like this before, you know what I mean?
When I first met you, you were falling asleep on our calls.
Was I?
And then how do you feel about the food? What's good about it? What's working? How you feel?
It's super simple. I mean, I just eat a lot of meat. Most of my carbs that I do eat, and I don't track them the best, but like they're all just like from veggies, mushrooms. I cut down a ridiculous amount of weight. Advice of like listening to like what my body wanted, and
Yeah.
my body said that I wanted to work out more and I wanted to push itself more. And it was just like I was like, all right, well, let's do this. Here I am. I'm like, I feel really good.